Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is again a comparison video. Today I'm comparing these two kajal. One is from the Plum Cosmetics and the other one is K Beauty. So I wanted to try both of these and I wanted to do a comparison video on both of these kajals. So if you're interested, just keep watching. So let's dive into the video. Just before I begin this video, let me quickly tell you that I'm wearing two different BB cream and CC cream on my face. This side is the BB cream LA Girl and this side is the Lakme 925 CC cream, and I've done a full comparison video on these two BB cream CC cream because I know they are the drugstore options, most economical options, and a lot of you guys cannot decide which one to buy. So I've done a comparison video and the video is right here. You can go ahead and watch that. But for now, let's talk about these two kajal. Talking about the packaging, this is the packaging for K Beauty and this is the packaging for Plum Cosmetics, and this is the place where you have to tear it and it opens like this. When I saw the packaging like this, I wasn't sure what am I getting because it was delivered to me online, and just when you think about such a big box, you would think that inside you will get a lot of things, but of course you get a sharpener. With the Plum, with the K Beauty, you don't need a sharpener, so you don't get a sharpener. So let's talk about K Beauty kajal first. This is the Spade K Beauty kajal and it says it lasts for 24 hours, transfer proof, smudge proof, enriched with chamomile and ceramide. The price of this is 245 rupees Indian rupees for 0.35 grams of product. It comes with its own individual plastic wrap as well, and then it is a twist up pencil like that you get when you buy it. The K Beauty kajal is cruelty free, it's vegan, it's paraben free, it's black, it's creamy and thick and smooth to apply on the skin, and there is no tug or pull whatsoever. I can use it very easily on my waterline and tight line. No irritation for the eyes at all. This is made in Germany. So let me just do a quick. This is how black it is. Now let's talk about the Plum pencil. It comes in this package and then it comes with its own individual sharpener, which I'm going to be using right now. Retails for 470 Indian rupees and you get about 1.2 grams worth of product in this. It's not a twist up, it's a pencil format kajal. When the kajal is very smooth and very soft and gel like, it does need a lot of protection, and these kind of material kind of holds your kajal in place, and that is the reason why some of the brands just cannot get away without using this pencil format kind of kajal. Talk about the brand. The brand claims are that it is smudge proof, it's made in Germany as well, it's dermatologically and ophthalmologically tested and approved. It is cruelty free, vegan, it has no preservatives, it has no mineral oil, and it is paraben free. Both of the kajals have very good staying power. Let me just show you the thickness, smoothness and blackness of this kajal. So this side is the K Beauty and this side is the Plum. The K Beauty, this one looks slightly more darker than the Plum. Comparing both of these kajal, which one do I prefer? I definitely reach out for the K Beauty kajal more, simply because it's so easy to use. This If it is not sharpened, I feel the side of the pencil in my eye, and I don't like that, and I'm very lazy to sharpen it, which is not the case with most of the makeup artists. They like to sharpen their pencils every time they start with makeup. Generally, makeup artists would sharpen their pencils, so it's not like a big deal for them. But for me, for like a normal person, I reach out for this more. Even though both of these are very smooth, both of these do not tug or pull on my skin. The application is absolutely smooth, flawless, and it just goes and glides on the skin. Just because it requires a little bit more effort, like sharpening the pencil, I find it more easy. I reach out for this more often. Price wise, packaging wise, both of them are almost the same. Quality wise, both of them are almost the same. The staying power is again almost the same. Both of these are smudge proof. I mean, if you really will rub your eyes and you will use something oil based, then it will come out. And what the good thing about both of these kajal is that they will not like resist completely. They are water resistant, but they're not like completely waterproof. I mean, if I run water through these, they will not melt with the water on its own. But if I rub both of them, they will come off. And you can see in the water test here. This is my review, my personal preference on both of these kajals. I hope it was helpful. I tried to do a lot of comparison video because I struggle to find which one is better, and most of the time, because of so many choices available to us, we want to know which is a better option than the other. So that's the reason why I go for comparison videos. If you like my video, please support me by liking and subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you are notified of every new video that I do. So I will see you next time in my next video. Until then, bye bye.